Alex Hormozi is one of the most recognizable entrepreneurs on the whole planet right now. His portfolio companies generate hundreds of millions of dollars a year, and his content gets hundreds of millions of views. He's literally everywhere. But here's the thing that nobody's talking about. The single biggest driver of that reach isn't ads, it isn't his team, and it isn't luck, it's SEO. 165,000 people Google his name every single month. AI tools like ChatGPT cite his frameworks every single day, and he dominates YouTube search for some of the most competitive business keywords on the planet. The irony, he achieved all of that by focusing on business fundamentals, not SEO hacks. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 principles behind his success and the 3 strategies that you can use in your own business to generate millions. Now, before we get into the principles, I want to show you what his SEO actually looks like with real data, because the numbers are surprising. If you pull up acquisition.com and check it out in any SEO tool, your first reaction will be that his website does nothing deliberate for SEO. Almost every keyword it ranks for is branded, his name, Leela's name, and his company's name. However, when you look at the numbers, you'll see the keyword Alex Hormozi gets 165,000 searches every single month, which means there's hundreds of thousands of people Googling his name alone. Now, when you switch over to YouTube and you search for terms like lead generation, which gets 74,000 searches a month, who's near the top? Hormozi. When you search paid ads, nearly 10,000 searches a month, there he is again. Cold email, 18,000 searches a month. Hormozi's there yet again. Now, with YouTube being the second biggest search engine in the world, and he's dominating it for some of the most competitive business keywords on the planet, all without ever having an SEO strategy, you might be wondering, how did he end up here? And he got here through 5 business principles that he constantly applies that I'm going to walk you through now. And the reason why these principles are so important before we go through the strategies is because you need to understand how Hormozi actually thinks. Because if you copy the tactics without the mindset, especially when it comes to SEO, I guarantee you will quit before the results ever show up. Now, the first principle that we're going to go through is the self-reinforcing system. And this is something that Hormozi constantly talks about. You need to build a self-reinforcing system that doesn't just focus on getting one customer and starting over, but building something where each action automatically drives the next one. Now, in terms of how that played out for him, his content volume built brand awareness, which drove word of mouth, which earns high quality backlinks naturally without any outreach, boosting his website. His YouTube rankings drove Google searches for his name, which drove more traffic, which drove more branded search, which further drove his website higher up on Google, which means he can probably rank for any business keyword on the internet. Meanwhile, on LinkedIn, which is the 5th most AI referenced site on the internet, every single piece of content that he posts directly feeds and boosts his recommendation chances in the AI ecosystem. Each of these channels feeds the next, and the whole thing compounds without him ever having to restart. Now, that entire system only works if people actually want to stay when they arrive. And that brings me to the next principle, which most marketers get completely wrong. And that is the rule of reciprocity. And Hormozi's rule when it comes to this is essentially you should give away what other people charge for. Courses, frameworks, playbooks, all for free. And the counterintuitive result is that people will buy anyway, because the trust is already there before you ask them to get their credit card out. And this is the SEO angle that gets missed, because great free content doesn't just get shared, it gets consumed. People stay on the page, they read the next article, they keep coming back to that website. And a Google data leak in 2024 confirmed what us as SEOs have known for years. Google tracks on-site engagement through Google Chrome as a direct quality signal. Dwell time, pages per session, return visits. Hormozi's content consumes hours of content per visit, and Google rewards him for it with higher rankings. And in 2026, higher rankings mean more citations in ChatGPT and Perplexity, which is going to lay the foundation for your success. But here's what makes this sustainable long term. And it's a business model point, not a content point. And once I explain this, Hormozi's entire output strategy will make complete sense. And that is the principle of building systems, not treadmills. I've fallen in this trap before. You shouldn't just look to work harder. You should build things that work when you stop. And SEO is the ultimate version of this, because a blog post can still generate leads 2 years after you published it. A YouTube video ranking for competitive keywords is going to run around the clock, no ad spend, nobody needs to be awake, and it's going to continue bringing you leads. To give you an example, I have a video that I posted over 2 years ago that still generates views every single day. And it's one of the reasons that I was able to sell a software business for 7 figures, because once I created that asset that exists and generates results, it works without you, which makes it more likely that someone's going to want to buy what you build. Now, since we've gone through that, I want to be really direct with you. There's 2 different people that are going to be watching this video. There's going to be people that nod along, they don't take any notes, and they still don't act. And there's going to be people who succeed, who take action. And principle 4 is about why that happens. And it comes down to extreme ownership. Hormozi's take is uncompromising. If you're not getting results, don't blame the market, don't blame the algorithm or the platform or SEO. Point the finger at yourself and figure out what you're actually doing wrong. And I hear this consistently when it comes to SEO. People say SEO doesn't work in my niche. It takes too much time. And I personally laugh at that, because I've generated over £5 million through SEO. And the industry is projected to reach $154 billion by 2030. And the reality is that most businesses try it wrong for too short of time with too little volume and then blame it on SEO. That's not a failed strategy or channel. That's a strategy that never got a real chance because you approached it in the wrong way. And once you've made that commitment, philosophy 5 is the only thing standing between you and actually showing up and getting results in AI and Google search. And that is the long game. Volume plus compounding plus patience. And this principle is the one that causes most businesses to walk away before it ever pays off. If you look at something like paid ads, you spend $1 today and get 5 back tomorrow. It's direct, it's measurable, but SEO really doesn't work like that. You invest today, see nothing for maybe 3 months, and then in month 4, returns start. When it comes to month 12, you're getting 10 times what you put in, and that's why SEO is so lucrative. And on top of that, those returns keep compounding, because the assets that you build keep working without any additional spend, just like the YouTube video that I showed you earlier. And unfortunately, most businesses write it off before any of those results happen and stay permanently dependent on paid traffic. Inbound is the game Hormozi is quietly winning, because he committed to the long game when everyone else was chasing quick win. So now we've gone through all the philosophies. I'm now going to walk you through the 3 strategies which you can use to get results in the next 12 months. And the first strategy is become the go-to person in your niche. And this is probably one of the most underrated SEO strategies in 2026, because it has the lowest barrier to entry. You can literally start it today without any budget at all, which is perfect for freelancers, single entrepreneurs, and businesses just getting started. Now, what most businesses do wrong is they jump straight into keyword research and content production. And the problem is, if nobody knows who you are, that content has no authority behind it. Google does not trust a brand new website, and nobody shares content from a name that they've never heard of. When you become the go-to person in your niche, when people actively search for your name or anything that you offer, Google sees that branded search volume as a trust signal and starts surfacing your content for non-branded searches too. Being searched for makes you more searchable, and that reputation compounds into rankings for more competitive keywords that are going to make you more money. Now, here's how to do this intentionally. First, I want you to pick one platform and go all in. Not 5, not 3, just one, wherever your customers spend time. For most business owners in 2026, if you're B2B, that's probably LinkedIn or maybe YouTube. Second, I want you to document your real results with genuine depth, not generic advice. I want you to be publishing your numbers, your case studies, your mistakes. That is the content that earns links and builds authority and is actually content that Google and users respect. Third, I want you to create a named framework that people will actively search for, as well as your name. Hormozi has the value equation, the Grand Slam offer, his $100 million series, and you need your own concept, something specific enough that people Google it by name, and when they do, you're the only result that matters. And I can guarantee you from first-hand experience, if you do those three things consistently for 6 months, it's going to compound over time. And when it compounds, every other part of your SEO strategy and inbound marketing is going to become dramatically easier. And strategy 2 is the YouTube SEO playbook. This is a playbook that I've built and tested for myself. I rank for terms like AI visibility, Squarespace SEO, ChatGPT ads on YouTube and on Google. And these are keywords that directly attract businesses wanting to understand and rank higher in AI search and Google. And in order to do this, you need to follow the 5 steps that I'm about to walk through. And most people are going to skip this because it does take some work up front, which is precisely why it works and why it can be generating you thousands for years to come. Now, step 1, I want you to find what your ICP is actively searching for on YouTube and Google. Not what you think they search, what they actually type. And what I want you to do is go to YouTube and start by entering the topic that you want to be known in. For example, it could be cold email. Then I want you to install a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere will tell you how many people search for whatever you type into YouTube or Google. On the right-hand side, you're also going to see a panel which shows you related search terms that people search in the topic that you've just entered. What you can do, you can go through there, you can type in different search terms and topics into YouTube and find search terms, ideally that hundreds or thousands of your ICP are actively searching on those search engines. Now, step 2 is I want you to make 2 or 3 videos actively targeting each keyword that you find. I want you to take the keyword and place it in the title, description, video file name, thumbnail file name, as well as mentioning it in the first 10 seconds and the last 10 seconds of that YouTube video. And if you really want to take that to the next level, make sure at the end of the YouTube video, you recommend the next video that that viewer could watch, because YouTube actively rewards videos that keep viewers on the platform. If someone watches the video and they watch another video as a result of the video they just watched, YouTube will push your video more in the algorithm and more in search results. Now, step 3, now you're generating traffic from videos. I want you to make sure you send that traffic to a lead generation magnet that solves a real pain. Not a generic guide, something that directly answers the exact question they just watched the video about. Tighter the match between the video topic and the lead generation magnet, the higher the conversion rate every single time, which of course moves us really well onto step 4, which is nurturing those leads while they're hot. Capture the email and reach out to them within 24 hours. They just watched your video, they just downloaded the resource, they're as warm as they're ever going to be, and this is your chance. What I typically do is send them the resource via email and then use a follow-up sequence in order to introduce them to what you do, what your offer is in order to get the close. Now, step 5 is I want you to make sure you share that video content everywhere to create a viral loop. Put all the key lessons into a LinkedIn post. Send the video to your email list. Turn the best moments into short form clips. One video becomes 5 pieces of content across 5 different platforms, each of which drives more people back to the original video, which increases watch time, which increases the time on the platform, which causes YouTube to push it even more in searches. To summarize, find the keyword, make the videos, build the lead generation magnet, nurture fast, and amplify everywhere to create a flywheel, which is going to skyrocket your business. So now you understand strategy 2, we're now going to move on to strategy 3. And that is the 100 actions SEO engine, which works for Google and AI search. Now, the 100 action rule is essentially every single day, you should do 100 actions that drive towards lead generation. When you apply that exact principle to SEO, you should essentially be doing 100 actions spread across the 4 areas that matter in SEO to compound the results over time. And this is important because you need to be feeding all the different areas across 60 to 90 days to guarantee SEO results. Now, how I want you to break this up is first, you should be spending 25 actions on finding keywords that your ICP search, as well as finding keywords that your competitors rank for that you don't. You should then spend around 35 actions on content, creating new articles, updating new pages, updating and improving meta titles and hooks. After there, you should spend 20 on page fixes, internal links, header structure, thin content, strengthening your pages, and then around 20 on link outreach, sending personalized emails to relevant sites, offering guest posts or resource swaps. Now, if you've run all of that consistently for 60 to 90 days, I've never seen a business do that and not get meaningful change in their organic traffic and inbound leads. Now, when it comes to SEO, what I genuinely find fascinating is Hormozi never set out to build an SEO strategy. He followed 5 business principles, and a world-class SEO strategy emerged as a byproduct. If he'd have deliberately tried to do SEO like most of you watching this video, he probably would have done what most businesses do. Hired a cheap agency, published some content, waited a few months, and got no immediate return, and moved on. Instead, he focused on the fundamentals, and now he has a branded search moat, YouTube videos which rank for some of the most competitive keywords on the market, and AI citations which recommend his brand, all of which compound without any additional spend. So you've got the 5 philosophies and the 3 strategies. Hopefully after this video, you're going to know how to apply them in your own business. However, if you want to get more tips in order to dominate AI search and generate inbound leads for your business, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.